Hello, I'm RaIn, and welcome back to some more Conkers Bad Fur Day. Now, we went through that annoying tunnel with ropes, that I don't know what that was, and now I'm about to take on this big old Brahma bull here. Once I figure out exactly what it is I'm supposed to do. Oh, whoa, okay. Angry much. Let me see here, I have... Oh boy, that was nice. Oh, okay, I think I knew where I'm supposed to go. I think I'm supposed to go up here. I'm starting to remember now, little by little. Dodge the balls of poo. Oh. Gotta dodge it, Ugh. You dodge this one too. Okay, didn't make it. Guess I gotta do the big jump here. Alright. Swirl the dial. Get some of that prune juice.
Now, logic would denote that something that drinks that is gonna get the screaming script. Ah, that looks distinctly like a target. And there we have a ball. Yes, I think I get it.
For the win! Oh, damn. Oh, shit. I thought I'd, just lose a piece of chocolate. Well, I died. Oh, yeah, that's right, death. I forgot about that. Conkers. This is always a good part.
Chomping ass of this bloody ridiculous contraption. Whose idea is this anyway? Right. Hello. My name's Greg, the Grim Reaper. And don't laugh.
Aren't you a little short to be a Grim Reaper?
Well, how many Grim Reapers have you met before, mate? What am I supposed to look like?
Yeah, that's a good point. Well made.
Now, let's see. Ah, yes. Conker. Surname?
The squirrel.
The squirrel. Oh, bloody hell, you would have to be a sobbing squirrel, wouldn't you?
Why, is there a problem with that?
Well, yes, there is, actually. It's like those bloody cats. Such a pain in the ass. You're one of these special cases.
Oh, really?
Yes. Apparently, according to the powers that be, I'm just doing my job. I do what I'm told. I don't even get paid very much. Apparently, squirrels can have as many lives as they think they can get away with.
Oh, I see. So I'm not dead.
You're dead, but not quite.
Right. Well, I'll be off then.
Just you wait, smart ass. You don't get out of it that easily. Now, the thing is, you may not be dead, but that doesn't mean you can't die. You just have a few more, shall we say, chances. Yeah. Like cats. I hate those things. Right. Distributed around your little world are these tail things. Squirrel's tails. If you can get them, I'll give you an extra chance. Understand?
Well, sounds a bit strange, but okay.
Strange? But that's bloody deal you're going to get, you little prick. Right, that's it. Piss off. I've got some cats to see. Bloody things. I hate those bloody cats. The way they meow and they piss everywhere. And their shit smells just bloody awful. All over my face.
Gotta love Greg. Grim Reaper, whatever his name is, he's awesome. In the death hand. And I'm right back where I was. With two tails. Uh-oh, what's this? Woo!
A cow. Now that could be useful. Right. This looks like it needs a little bit more hands-on control. He's a bit of a wild one.
That time again, is it? Oh, I see bugger-lugs is out here again. Oh,
There's a nice little patch. I think I'll give it some grass. Moo. Need to get her over there somehow.
Voila! Come on, you big bull. Hey, hey, woo! Got a lure him over here. Come on, come on. Alright, we got a lure him over here now. What? There we go. Yeah!
Jumping nonsense, young man. Goodness me. I've quite lost my appetite now. I'm gonna go for a little meander over here. Actually, I feel a bit thirsty. A nice little beverage should wash this tasty grass down lovely like. This looks quite nice. Looks to be cranberry flavoured. Lovely. Tastes a bit hot. Oh, I'll have some more.
My God.
Ooh, moo. Ooh. It's like a screaming shit seas. I'm out of here. Oh, I say. This is far from dignified. Oh, I hope Mavis and Olive don't see this. They'll never end with it. Oh, that's a bit. Oh, hey, it's a bit of a. Oh, that's. Oh, I'll just stay here for a while just in case. You never know. Looks like he's just about ready to go.
Alright. Well, as you see, I have $200. I'm going to go ahead and end this video here, so make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you think of my videos. See you next time.